Hey guys, in this video we're going to be cleaning out, at least partially cleaning out, this really old, really disgusting looking PC that has, look at all that dust in there. It's pretty dirty and dusty. It's been collecting dust for years and years and years. Now, when I recorded this video, so since recording this video, this PC has been decommissioned and is now sitting in a pile of parts in my closet. But at the time of recording this, I really just needed to get this thing cleaned up, and I believe that at this point it was still going to be used for a while. But in any case, I just wanted to quick share how I clean this out and what I use. So instead of using, you can buy those cans of air, and there's also another tool that has a little, it's a battery powered tool that just blows air too that I have, and I've done a video on that in the past. But what I'm using in this video is an air compressor. So I'm going to cut away to that in a sec here. So right here. So yeah, here we go. Here is the, you can barely tell that I had cut away and then I had to pan over to this. But yeah, this is my Ryobi air compressor, and I am going to be using this. And now it was not as powerful as I thought it would be. But yeah, there you go. Look at that. It's blowing all that dust out. That's really satisfying to do. Now, this is not as powerful as I thought it would be, and it is, but it still works pretty well. And the one thing that I don't like about this air compressor is that it, the tank capacity is kind of low, so it runs out of air a lot sooner than I'd like it to, but it still works pretty well and still does a great job with this. There might be better solutions for this, though. But at least I don't have to worry about buying more cans of compressed air over and over again just to clean out a PC. And if you do want to really fully clean this out, you really kind of need to, get a brush and brush things out too to, get all the details and stuff. But this worked out pretty well for doing an overall, quick blowing out all the dirt and stuff. So that's it. Just wanted to share that. Thanks for watching. See you guys on that next video.